Everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find the halfway point on Google Maps. So this is helpful when you're planning on a road trip, meeting someone between two locations, or looking for a place to stop along the way. So first, open up Google Maps and click the directions button. Enter your starting location, then add your destination. So once the route appears, look at the total distance shown on the screen. Next, divide the total distance by 2 to find the halfway distance. So for example, if the full route is 100 kilometers, the halfway point will be around 50 kilometers. Now, move your cursor along until you reach approximately that distance. So once you find the area, click on the map to place a point. You can also then check nearby locations, restaurants, or stopping places around the halfway point. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.